like having kids and breastfeeding. Even pregnancy is a journey. Your body really, really changes. So when you really get the chance to make the best out of your body after kids, you go for it. You understand? Don't let anyone shame you. Don't let anyone make you feel like, oh, you don't love yourself. Baby, you love yourself. That's why you're fixing yourself. Because you want to feel better about yourself. Do you get? So that's my motto, and I've always lived by this. I don't know if you guys have followed me from 2012. I think that's when New Guy. I did my boobs the first time in 2013 or 14. By the way, you didn't know? Only Gen Z. Oh, you didn't know? Okay, so I actually had my boobs done in 2014. It's been, what, 11 years? 10? 2014, 2015. It's been about 10 years now. I got my boobs, because like sometimes when you're blessed with curves, you don't get blessed everywhere. So I wanted that little balance, and I said, you know what? Let me just get my boobs done. And then I realized I didn't have any kids. And then the kids came, and then they breastfed, because I'm a mom, and I want my kids to, grow, healthy, and breast milk is healthy. So breastfeeding one baby, the other baby came 8 months into breastfeeding, again, body changes, and I said, you know what? I think I just want to do something good for myself, something that will make me happy, something that will make me, just like, I'm very confident. I love myself. Like women, we love we. But nothing wrong with us just being the best version of we, right? Yes, so I just said, let me just change my boobies. It's been 10 years, the gravity, nini. Actually, guess what? I actually have my old boobies.
You're really serious.
I came for boobs. So this is how they feel.
Yes. Remove them from the paper.
What?
Feel the real thing.
This is such a normal.
Damn.
Frankie's touching my old boobies.
So these things have been inside you?
Yes.
For 10 years. And I still breastfed, by the way. So it's very, very... Yes. Actually, I think breast implant is the safest surgery ever. Because they do it for cancer patients who had breast cancer. And when they have to cut off the rod, they replace it with this. So it's the safest. How does it...
Strange. It feels strange.
I think also because
There's no skin on it. Yeah, very soft.
Oh my God, do you want to touch?
Oh, yeah.
Because of course they cannot be reused.
What size is it?
So this was 400 cc. Yes, this was 400 cc, but you want to feel it? Because they cannot be reused. I'm just keeping this for,
So do you have bigger ones? Or do you have smaller ones?
yeah, that was big. Let us know.
I need some, yeah. Let's change these clowns of mine.